Alright guys, real quick, we're going to explain what you need if you want to enter a COPART auction site. Number one is going to be your COPART membership. That's the first thing they're going to ask you when you try and enter. The COPART membership is an annual fee. Make sure that you're up to date on that and you have your member ID number to make things go smoothly. Number two, COPART's a nationwide company and they want to mitigate injuries and avoid frivolous lawsuits for little things that could be avoided. So they require you to have closed-toe shoes. So make sure you wear your work boots or your tennis shoes. Don't be showing up in flip-flops or Crocs or something like that where you can get hurt. Especially if you're hopping into boats, jumping on trailers and stuff like that. You're definitely going to want some good shoes. Alright, before I share number 3 with y'all, check out my 3-part series of when I went and drove 1,200 miles to pick up this Sea Ray Cuddy Cabin boat. It was sight unseen and I learned a lot during this disaster of a flip. So y'all check it out. It's quick. So y'all check it out. It's a quick series that you should enjoy and hopefully learn something. Alright, so number 3, as you can see, is a yellow vest. It's got to be a it's got to be a neon vest, right? Work vest. And more specifically, it's not supposed to be orange because the workers at COPART wear orange vests. So if you have a reflective vest and it's orange, you probably want to get a yellow one so that you can avoid confusion and make sure that COPART's going to let you on their property. So guys, I hope these tips were helpful. So y'all stay safe out there so you can return home still alive.
You're right.
That's right. Good job, buddy.